A very warm wishes. I am Dr. Sarika Gautam, Associate Professor Obs and Gynae from PGIMS Rohtak. I am going to present my topic of to increase the practice of hand washing with correct 7-step technique for 2 minutes for doctors who are conducting the vaginal delivery from baseline data to 80% in 4 weeks. In the background, hand washing is the basic habit of the doctor and a part of their training to get the hand washing done before and after seeing a patient. It is the basic habit, but when we observed, the only few doctors were practicing the hand hygiene with correct 7-step technique. A baseline data was also observed, that was only 10%. So this problem was identifying of that hand washing is not being done by the doctors. For this, a policy statement was made by a quality improvement team, and the team includes 4 enthusiastic doctors who were willing to change to make this change happen. In the policy statement, we made out to increase the practice of hand washing with correct 7-step technique for 2 weeks, for 2 minutes for doctors who are conducting the vaginal delivery. The problem was analyzed with the fishbone analysis in the head of policy, people, procedure and place. In the policy there was no problem, but people were having lack of awareness and non-motivated, and in the procedure there was increased workload, multiple deliveries taking place simultaneously, and they said they are not able to do hand wash properly, and sometimes there was non-availability of soap also was there round the clock. So analysis was done with the having a numerator and denominator showing in the slides. So there was motivated lectures were taken for the hand wash. Soap was made available for 24 hours. A poster was made display above the scrub station so that student can revise the steps simultaneously, and a wall clock was also mounted. And there was open discussion was done with the resident also, so that they can tell us about the problem, that why it is not being done if it is not done properly. So intervention done, that I have already told, that we pasted a poster. Intervention wall clock was installed, and in this process of we have made the process of change. Residents were made aware about the policy in a 1 day, availability of round the clock water in the scrub station of labor room, because we find that there was no water available in the night duty shift. Then availability of wall clock, availability of soap and remotivation of LR team was done. So we measure the improvement by the PDSA cycle, that is plan, do, study, act cycles, and the numerator was taken total number of doctors in which hand washing done for 2 minutes with correct 7-step method, and denominator total number of doctors conducted the vaginal delivery. So in week 1 there was progress was seen from 10% to 55.5% only by the motivation and policy declaration. Then a change was introduced, that is availability of soap for 24 hours, and in by this change we checked the process, and it improved from 55.5% to 69.2% in subsequent week. And then again the reassignment of workforce done among the junior resident 1, 2 and 3, and the change was seen 66.1%. Then we did the sustenance and discussion, and in week 4 we able to achieve 75%, that is short of 80% which we decided. But in the subsequent we tried for again motivation done, and then the process this system was achieved up to 100% in subsequent weeks, and the sustenance was still maintained by the continuous motivation, WhatsApp reminders and proper interactive classes. So effect of change, a policy statement was made. Students are now aware, trained and motivated for safe hand wash. All the faculty, resident, paramedical staff are now sensitized about the good practice of hand hygiene. It led to habit change and lower the infection rate. So message for others, enthusiastic team is very necessary part of success of any change we need, and our QI team picked the basic necessity, that is a habit of hand wash. Doctors were not doing hand wash properly before the change idea was made, and it was only 10%, but in my experience the first step is to accept the problem, then analyze the problem and make plan that how we will tackle the problem. As soon as these problems were rectified, the students get motivated day by day, and they make it their habit, and they make it their habit, and now it is in their behavior that they have to do the hand washing for 2